where we highlight the fight of Amit Gupta, who runs an NGO called Hriday. How often have you seen on this particular show stories which protect women's rights? Well, today we get you something very different. Hriday protects men's rights, something which is rare but equally important as protecting women's rights. Hriday started this NGO years back, and today he is fighting against the rampant misuse of laws like 498A of the IPC, which today do stand abused by many women.
Every 9 minutes a married man is committing suicide in India, which is twice the rate of a married woman committing suicide. The major reason of marital men committing suicide is the family disputes. I am Amit Gupta from Hriday, a Save India Family Foundation movement, and fighting against 498A and misuse of laws.
उसके अलावा थेफ्ट यानी चोरी, और तीसरा जो सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ किया जा रहा है लॉ, वो है 498A.
Once a marital discord is there between a husband and a wife, then all these allegations start coming in, and once a woman goes to police station, she is being educated about different laws, and she goes and files various false cases against the husband to extort money.
3 साल पहले 354 फाइल करने का समय वो बोली है कि वो मेरे हस्बैंड ने, हम लोग लव मैरिज किए हैं.
There are various laws like 498A, 125 CRPC, Domestic Violence Act, which are being used by married women against their husbands to extort.
आता है CRPC 340 में, लेकिन मेरे लिए प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मैं खड़गपुर जाके वहाँ पे 340 नहीं कर सकता.
It is not just one particular case, it comes with bouquet of cases. The bouquet of cases are normally 125 CRPC, which is a wife's request for maintenance. Then another case which is filed is predominantly filed and abused is Domestic Violence Act 2005. Then a wife can even go forward and file divorce cases and claim alimony. Basically what happens is when a person comes to us, he's highly depressed and he has lost his reputation. He has been arrested by the police, harassed at police station. Legally he has been extorted and he has to move around courtrooms which he had never been to. So basically he is mentally ill, sick, highly distressed and depressed. Most of the men are prone to suicide.
सहयोग करें किस तरह से हम उनको बाहर लेके आए, ये हमारा परस्पर उनको हम यहाँ पे गाइड कर सके, उनको जानकारी दे सके कि कैसे उनको ये जो लॉज हैं.
Every week we conduct a we conduct a counseling session at Jatin Das Park, evening 4:30 p.m. Normally people who are suffering from false cases or are willing to learn about these cases come to us. Basically these are the cases which we address are 498A.
तो जहाँ 2002 में लगभग 50,000 498A केसेस दर्ज हुए थे.
When we talk of 498A, from 2002 till 2012, the journey of 498 is extremely dangerous. In 2002, the number of 498A filed were around 50,000 odd, which has now come out to be 106,000 cases. In Bengal itself, the situation is even more grave because every year the Bengal registers more than 20,000 498A cases, of which the conviction rate is just 4.4%. So it actually means that out of 20,000 cases, less than 1,000 cases are true, rest are false. Thus, we look forward to this concerning trend to be stopped immediately and request the government and plead to the law-making organizations to make this law gender neutral one and make this law a bailable one, so that the elderly parents, mothers, sisters and family members along with the husbands who are falsely getting accused in such law may not get harassed.